Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa. Today what we're going to do is we're going to play with a few things that are not necessarily new but new to me, and also a few things that I pulled from my stash. The Too Faced Peach palette, and I got the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation and the Covergirl Concealer. And I got a couple of other things, so I'll let you know what's new and what's from my stash as we go along. Also, I kind of challenged myself. I'm going to be using different brushes today because I get in the habit of using the same brushes. So we're going to use different brushes just kind of for fun. So if you want to see all that and my makeup look, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm gonna, first take off my glasses, and then I'm gonna take the Ulta Beauty eye primer and I'm gonna put that on my eyes to prime my eyes. The first shade I'm gonna go into is Georgia right here. I'm going to put that in my crease, and I'm using Elf and J Kissa J3. Sorry for the noise at the first. I forgot to turn off the air conditioner. Next, I'm going to go into Charmed I'm Sure right here, this brown. And I'm going to put that just on my outer V. And I was using the J Kissa J4 for that. It's just kind of a dome type brush. That's good for packing stuff on the lid. Alright, so I'm going to take the J Kissa J1 and I'm going to go into Caramelized, and I'm going to put that on the middle of my lid. Alright, I used my new color switch to clean off my J1 brush because I'm going to go into Luscious and put that on my inner corner. This brush is really great on putting shimmers. I'm taking micellar water and a cotton round, and I'm just going to clean up the fallout if there is any, and just clean up my lines. Alright, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. This is the one of the things that's new to me. I'm just going to spray my face real quick. Smells good. I'm going to dry that with a handy fan. Now I'm taking the Revlon Photo Ready Pore Reducing Primer. This is also new to me. Alright, now we're going to see if I got the right shade. This is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. And I got the shade LN3. They didn't have LN2, so I'm just going to stripe this on my face. Alright, I'm going to blend it out with my e.l.f. sponge. color so far looks like it's unmatched. I'm just going to see if it'll build up a little bit. It might be a tad bit dark for my neck. It's hard to tell. Yeah, I think it's a tad bit dark for my neck, but we'll fix that when we bronze. Alright, now I'm going in with the Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer. And it's got a big buck foot. Alright, I'm going to try that much at first to see how much coverage we got, and then I'll go back in if I need to. Alright, now I'm going to take this little Real Techniques brush and my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder, and I'm going to put a little on my under eye. I'm going to go down my nose with that. That's where I get greasy, is my nose and my forehead. Alright, now I'm going to take a big fluffy Real Techniques brush. I don't know why I can't talk today. It's a powder brush, and I'm going to take that and just put it all over everywhere else. Alright, next, this is actually a repurchase. My daughter stole mine, so this is the Butter Bronzer and Bronzer. I have another one, but it's like a Brazilian something or another. And I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush. It's kind of tapered a little bit, but still fluffy. And I'm going to put that all over my face. Now I'm going to go under my neck. Under my chin and down my neck. Alright, I'm taking the Milani, I got it upside down, Blossom Time Rose Blush. That's what. And I got a blush brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And I'm going to take it over my nose to be sunburnt and sun-kissed. Brush makes it a little more subtle. My other brush puts on the pigment. I'm going to take the Colourpop highlighter in You're a Trip. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my cheek, and I'm using that same little Real Techniques brush. It says it's a setting brush, and see if I can put it on with that. I'm going over my eyebrow. Down the nose. Cupid's and chin. Now I'm taking the J5, and I'm just going to put the Delectable shade up here, or what is it? No, it's Charmed, I'm sure. This brown shade up here, and I'm going to put that underneath my lash line, or my eye. I'm going to put the Luscious shade in my inner corner. Now I'm going to see if I can get this to work better. I'm going to put on my Essence Lash Princess first, and then put on the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift, and see if I can't get this to do its job. This actually looks pretty good over the Essence Lash Princess, but this is the waterproof. That's why I wanted to layer them, because it seemed like it wasn't working like a lot of people said the regular worked. So, and I'm going to take these BH So Extra High Shine Plumping Lip Gloss. And it's in shade Caffeinated. I'm going to put that on my lips. And I'm going to go back into the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. I'm going to try not to spray my eyes, because it seems like sometimes I go too ham with the spray and then it gets on my eyeshadow, kind of makes my eyeshadow run. I'm going to start blending it in with my sponge, melt everything together. Alright, I guess that's everything. I want to go over the products that are new to me and tell you what I think about them. I really like the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. We'll have to see how it wears, but so far I really like it. The Covergirl concealer, same thing. It looks really pretty on, but I'm gonna have to wait and see how it wears as well. The primer, it was a little, I don't know if it's supposed to be liquidy, but it was like really super liquidy instead of being more like a creamy primer. It's like super liquidy. So I'll have to keep playing with this and see what I think. And I like the primer water. I think I went a little crazy with it. I need to like calm down the sprayer. I think it sprays a little bit more than I'm used to. So, but I really like it. I like the coconut smell. So I think that was it. My bronzer was new, but I love this. So I've had it before, so I know I love this. But that is it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would greatly appreciate you to subscribe, become a part of my family. Also, ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. I try to upload at least twice a week, but a lot of times I upload more like 3 or 4. So a lot of content for you to binge on. I guess that's all, and I guess I'll talk to you later. Bye, y'all.